you the real deal truth, man. You
Oh,
said
I
it.
haven't been able to find a job in this town either. That's been the problem. I can't find a job to where this can become a hobby.
Okay. Look, all right. Now we're gonna see how serious you are. Okay. How willing to work are you?
Well, I'd like to get back to work. I haven't earned a steady paycheck in years.
Well, I didn't say steady. I said, how willing to work are you?
Well, it depends on what's involved. What's the job? What's the money? Where does it come into my skill sets and all that?
It doesn't matter. You don't have any and you ain't got a job. None of that other shit matters. That's what I'm trying to get it through your head, man. You're telling me a whole bunch of I can'ts. It doesn't work this way. Negative Nancy shit. What my point is, I ask you simple questions, man. Are you willing to work? Yes.
Yes.
Are you willing
Yes.
to go and do what it takes to make the money? Yes or
Yes.
no? Okay. Then it doesn't goddamn matter what it is. Are you a man? Can you do it? Is it a job that another man can do? Well, sure, fucking you can too. You're not better than anybody. You don't have any goddamn thing going on. So don't for a second sit there and even ask, what does it pay? How hard is it? Motherfucker, you're starving to death right now. You can't pay your goddamn rent and you're wondering, how much does it pay? Is it worth my time?
Okay,
What?
you don't have to lay on me like that.
No,
I've
no,
heard
no.
that,
This is
but
man shit. You're 30 something years old. Grow the fuck up. I'm telling you like a man. Okay. I'm not being ugly to you. I'm telling you something you need to hear. This entire conversation and the last one, everything you said to me has been negative. You have not even really tried to be like, yeah, I could do that. It's been like, oh, well, I could, but, or, oh, well, this doesn't work that way. Man, look, you can, if you're a negative Nancy, you'll never get anywhere, and it doesn't matter how long of a conversation we have. If you're actually willing to listen and do something, man, you can achieve a lot of stuff, dude. And the reason I was asking you, are you willing to work? I got stuff that I could put people to work for all the time. It doesn't make much, but it makes something. And if you ain't got nothing going on, I can put you doing some stuff that you probably wouldn't have ever done before. It might be a little bit humiliating because you're used to doing something else. But guess what? That's tough times, dude. And we've all been there. At the same time, if somebody tells me, oh, I don't know, it depends. Well, that means you're not going to show up in time. You're not going to get up in time. You don't really want to do it.